Ha! I knew it. Everybody knows that sliding glass door locks are trash. If you just wiggle them enough, they'll always come loose. Introducing the patio door lock. These strong bars will mount next to your sliding glass doors and permanently lock it in place. They adjust to all the standard sizes. A standard sliding glass door is 6 foot and the large ones are 8 foot. They'll simply install in the door jamb and then they'll lock securely in place. This can only be pushed in if the release button is held down. Otherwise, it's super tight. There's other solutions on the market such as pins, locking pins, and foot releases. However, a lot of those rely on you bending over or lifting up. This is good because you can install it waist high. I know, you just have a 2x4 cut down there, a piece of wood. I see that a lot. That does work. However, you have to bend over to open your door every time. This will be installed at the waist level. All right, for the hinge side of the locking bar, I find it's good to put it in the door jamb. That's a nice hidden alcove there where it will pack away nicely when you're not using it. This exact product link is in the video description down below. Now this horizontal bar will be on the underneath side. Don't put that on the top side. Now when you're not using it, that will simply store up and out of the way. Now the manufacturer suggests for the locking side by the door that you slide this metal sleeve into the plastic retainer clips and they'll mount to the door. Now that's great if you have children in the house because the bar will drop and lock in and you need thumb releases to lift it up. So if you want to protect from children leaving the house accidentally, that's good. However, we just have adults here, so we're just going to install the metal bracket directly. Okay, I want this more or less horizontal, so let's measure up. Let's measure up from the bottom track to the bottom of the bar, which is going to be 41 3/4 inch. And then we're going to do the same height over here. We're going to put that bracket at 41 3/4 inch. Okay, so that's the height of the bottom of my bracket that I want. The receiving bracket, I simply installed it using the provided 3 screws and then just adjust the locking bar for the perfect width. It drops into place, nice tight fit, and it's real easy to unlock by lifting and locking by lowering. Another cool thing about this type of sliding glass door lock is from across the house, you can just look and see if your door is locked. If the horizontal bar is in place, it is locked and secured. Sliding glass door security bar lock, another rapid repair. Thanks for watching this week, guys. I knew you could do it yourself. We'll see you next week.